Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of ESPN. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about ESPN and we click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ESPN, and then you can update your app, so please don't forget